Hi, this is Talk and Play Together, and it's story time.
Hi, I'm Sophia, and I'm going to read Bluebird's Nest. It's about a blue bird making a nest. Ooh, the bird is going to make a nest with the leaves. It looks like he's singing.
Mama bird.
Now she has grass. And look, there's the nest, soft nest. Oh, her friend is coming to help her. Ooh, and the nest is getting bigger. Oh, there's a big bird helping her, giving her feathers. Brr, now it's winter, and the squirrels are helping too.
So many, look. More leaves, more sticks. So big.
Now the bluebird is laying in her nest.
What's she doing? Can you do that?
Oh, look, now it's spring, and the butterflies are there.
Yay, I love spring.
Look in the nest, there are little eggs.
Oh, wow, look at that. Eggs.
Eggs.
And a butterfly. It's springtime.
Spring. Oh, look. In the nest, there are her little baby birds.
Where did they come from?
In the eggs.
How did they get out? They crack, crack, crack. Cracked open the egg, and out of the egg came a
Birdie.
baby bird. Mama, where are you? Mama, where are you? Look, it's Mama. Let's eat. Ooh, wiggle, 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 wiggly worm. Ew.
Ew.
The end. Thank you, Sophia.
Yep.